Looking for the best platform to sell your product or community in 2025? Let's break down Stripe, Whoop, and School. Three powerful tools with different focuses. Stripe is the OG payment processor. It's flexible, developer friendly, and used by millions of businesses worldwide. You can build custom checkouts, manage subscriptions, and sell almost everything. It integrates with almost every tool on the market, but it requires setup and technical know how. WHOP is built for digital product sellers, especially memberships, software, and communities. It offers ready to made storefronts, checkout pages, customer dashboards, and affiliate tools. No coding needed, and it's easy to set up. Think Stripe plus Gumroad plus Marketplace. It's all in one. School focuses on building paid communities. You get a forum, course area, calendar, and payments, all in one place. Perfect for coaches, creators, and community builders who want simplicity. It's not for selling digital products in bulk, but for running engaged paid group. It's clean, fast, and effective. Final verdict. Stripe, most flexible, best for developers. Whoop, easiest for selling digital goods. School, best for paid communities. Pick the one that fits your business model. That's it. Hope this video helped.